So as a new manager, making your first new hire is nerve-wracking because you don't want to, ruin the culture of the team, or you might overthink certain things. And the mistakes I've made in the past when hiring, and I've made a few, is when I didn't follow my gut. And I've always, I thought about maybe the edge case scenarios where this candidate needs to cover for the particular team, and it, the overthinking causes the mistake and hiring the wrong person. So for me now, when I look at when I go into interviews, when I look at resumes, it's not really about the skill set or the talent. There are several things I really look for, and it doesn't show in your resume. You actually have to meet them. You actually have to sit in front of them or through Zoom. So for me, work ethic, passion, empathy, the openness to learn, and being engaged. Those are the attributes I'm looking for when I'm hiring somebody. Skill set, technical skill set, it can be learned, right? You want to bring in a person that's a team player that can work well with the team and does not influence the culture of your group in a negative way. Hey, the skill set and stuff works for me because, hey, I'm a design director. So it's a little bit different from someone that may operate heavy machinery. Sure, you need that technical skill set, you need that skill to operate that machine. But when it comes to design and comes to my experience in building out my team, it's not the skill set, it's not the technical skill set that I look for first. It's really the things like I said, attitude, work ethic, passion, empathy, open to learning, and being engaged. Those are the peoples I want to hire for my team.